Hi everyone, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 43. It's May 19th, 2026. Some awesome AI developments today, and we're going to make all of it make sense. Let's get into it. So imagine your smart speaker could do more than just answer one quick question at a time. What if it could turn into a full production studio that researches a topic, writes a script, and records an entire podcast episode for you? That is exactly what Amazon just added to Alexa Plus. You tell it any subject you want, and the system builds a back and forth discussion between two AI hosts, complete with natural flow and realistic voices. Think of it like having a tiny radio station inside your Echo device that plans the whole show instead of just reading facts one by one. This goes beyond basic text-to-speech, which simply reads words out loud, because the AI now creates structure, questions, and replies that connect like real conversation. Podcasts already help so many students and teens learn about history, science, or even video game updates while walking or doing chores. Now you can create one instantly on any topic that interests you. For you personally, this could change how you study or explore hobbies, because a quick audio summary might feel easier than reading another long article. If you have an Echo device with the Alexa Plus upgrade, try saying something like, "Create a podcast about how video games are made and see what it produces." Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, the deep dive, where we look under the hood. Today's concept is how an AI turns a simple topic into a full scripted conversation. You already know how your phone sometimes suggests the next word while you text a friend. Now picture that same idea, except the system guesses an entire back and forth exchange between two people instead of just one word. First, it reads your topic and decides what the two hosts should cover in order, like mapping out a short road trip with stops along the way. Next, it writes lines for each host that sound like real talk, including questions and replies that connect naturally, similar to how friends build on each other's ideas during a chat. Then it picks different voices for each host and adds small pauses or tone changes so nothing sounds robotic, the way a director might coach actors to pause for effect. Finally, it stitches everything together into one audio file you can play like any other podcast. And that is basically what Alexa is doing when it builds these shows. It is using the same word prediction trick at a much larger scale to create the whole script and then turn that script into spoken audio. So next time someone mentions an AI-generated podcast, you can tell them it is basically supercharged autocomplete that also knows how to talk to itself. Not so scary, right? Now let's look at some cool stuff you can actually try yourself. One user on Reddit shared a simple workflow that combines Claude's design tools with 11 Labs for voice to create short animated explainer videos. The trick is giving the AI both the script and timing information so the visuals line up with the spoken words, like matching pictures to a storybook as you read it aloud. Anyone who likes making YouTube-style videos for school projects should give this a go. Head to claude.ai, ask it to write a short script about something you are learning, then use a free text-to-speech site like 11 Labs to record the audio. Feed the audio timestamps back into Claude to generate matching video scenes, and you will have a polished explainer for under $1. Another thing worth checking out is Google's big annual I/O keynote happening tomorrow. It is expected to show off new AI features across Android and other products, all presented in one live stream. You do not need any special setup, just a browser or phone. Go to the official Google I/O website or YouTube channel tomorrow morning and watch the live stream. Pause afterward and try any new tools they demonstrate right away, turning the announcements into hands-on experiments. Time for a couple of quick bits. A company called Ouster released the world's first color LiDAR sensor for robots and cars. This lets self-driving vehicles and robots see the world with both three-dimensional shape and full color at the same time, more like human vision instead of flat point clouds. And the Pope is preparing the first major statement on AI later this month. Pope Leo XIV will present an encyclical focused on artificial intelligence, with an Anthropic co-founder invited to speak. It is shaping up to be one of the highest profile ethical discussions about AI happening right now. That's it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That's literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at @Nara Network. Links in the show notes. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.